There's so much to do and never enough time to do it. If this resonates with you, then keep on watching because I'm going to share with you my 4-step system that will help you create a productive study schedule that will make you happy. Step 1 is to list out all your commitments. That includes activities that are set in stone like your classes, work, extracurricular, appointments, meetings, and commute time. Step 2 is to block off sleep time. Look at your earliest commitment and set a wake-up time that works for you. Consider waking up at the same time every day. Make sure you get sufficient sleep and calculate your bedtime. Say you need 8 hours of sleep and you need to wake up by 5 a.m. Count back 8 hours and that will be 9 p.m. How do you know how much sleep you need? Well, experiment to see how many hours you need in order to wake up feeling fresh. Step 3 is to list out self-care time. This is really crucial. This is a time for you to recharge, like your morning and evening routine, meal time, and chill time. The morning and evening routines create a structure that starts and ends the day. I meditate, exercise, and journal first thing in the morning. For my evening routine, I keep it simple with just a meditation after shower. What are your daily routines? Let me know in the comments below. Step 4 is to identify your study time. Figure out when you focus best and allocate that as your study time. If you're a morning person, allocate study time in the morning. If you're an evening person, consider waking up later and study at night. Also, it's best to allocate small chunk of study time in between classes so you can prepare and review what you learned on that day. You want to aim to have at least one day off from studying. This may sound crazy, but just do it anyway. You want to keep the study time flexible and decide what you'll be doing on a weekly basis. I talk about how to design your study plan in this video. You can check it out here. If you don't have enough time to study, it could be that you're not using effective study strategies. If that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing to this channel.